Everyone asks how I stay jolly year-round. I grow only on root roses from Heirloom, no rootstock drama. Give joy, give own root. Hot tip, if it's grafted, it's regifted. Get 'em the real deal, get 'em Heirloom. Own root or no root. Oh no, someone munched on my rose again. Must have been Prancer. I should have used this instead. Even Santa needs Pure Protect. Let's be honest, if they love gardening, they don't want another pair of socks. Santa shops at Heirloom Roses, stocking stuffers made for gardeners, pruners, gloves, gift cards, and even more. Fast shipping straight to your door, no reindeer required. Winters mean the gardens nap, but gardeners are thinking ahead. Help them prep with gifts that they'll actually use. Omni meal, mint compost, fish fertilizer, all of Heirloom's favorites. And for those who earned a spot on the naughty list, age cow manure does the trick. After all, it's never a bad idea to stock up on amendments. Give the gift that keeps on growing.